guys, and welcome back to another motivation cleaning video. Today's video, I am going to be deep cleaning my bathroom. I'm going to share with you the steps of how I do a deep clean when I deep clean the bathroom. So I'm going to start by removing the curtains from the bathroom and put them in the washer. I'm using Clean Freak by Mr. Clean, and I'm spraying it first all over the walls and also in the bathtub so it can start doing its work. And then I'll start with a sponge, and let's do this. So I'm starting by scrubbing the walls from the bathtub. This is how I like to start. I like to start with the walls and then I end up in the tub.
Esa voz tan delicada no demuestra lo que tú haces con mi piel. Vamos y sin censura, yo te hago todo a ti dulzura.
Now I like to turn on the water and go ahead and let it run and throw water to the walls so that way all the dirt goes down the drain. And also I like to clean the caddy that holds the shampoos and things like that. And of course, just, you know, put it right back. Now the caddy was not that bad, so it just needed a quick rinse. And now with the toilet, which is one of the least thing I like to do, but somebody got to do it. I like to remove everything around it and then spray it down everywhere so the product could start doing its work. Now I usually prefer using paper towels, and that's what I'm using to, you know, clean it everywhere. And I start by the top and then I work myself down, because usually the top is the cleanest area, but the bottom, if you have boys, you know how it is. And I do have 3 boys, of course. One is already old enough to know better, but the other 2, they still, I don't know, you know how it is. But that's how I like to start, you know, from the top and then work myself to the bottom. So another area that sometimes we forget to clean is the outside of the bathtub. So I just spray the product of Mr. Clean in the outside and just passing the paper towel all over. Now I'm cleaning the inside of my toilet, and I like to use these toilet wands that are flushable by Clorox. It's better because instead of keeping all that bacteria in the brush, then you could just throw the little brush away and always replace it when you need to clean it. So it's a must in the bathrooms. Now I'm just removing everything from on top of the sink so I can get this sink clean.
I told you every single time, don't you worry.
I'm gonna start by spraying the Mr. Clean spray all over, letting it sit for a minute, and then starting scrubbing everything. And I'm also going to be using a toothbrush to clean the areas. Now this is something that I remember doing a long time ago, and I had stopped. And then my girl Salma Rivera, if you don't know, that's my girl. She is the queen of the toothbrush, so this is all her. But I love how it, you know, leaves your sink, especially those areas that you think that it's clean. It's really not, guys. If you really scrub around it, you're gonna see that it's like, I don't know, I want to say like dirt and cold water. It's just stuck in there, but give it a try and you will love it. And then scrubbing, you know, my sink, it's amazing. I love how it's looking. And of course I scrub along with that the counter so everything looks really nice.
Like that, but now it feels like I've been trapped.
Now I use Windex, which is, this is not the original Windex. It's probably like a Walmart brand, Dollar General or something like that. It does the job, but I still want to get something better than this one right here. But for now, this will do because I like to use all the products that I have, even though I don't love them per se. I like to use them up and then buy something else. And now I'm gonna go ahead and declutter my sink, underneath my sink cabinet. Man, oh boy, was it a mess. So I'm starting by wiping everything. Of course, as you saw, I removed everything. And there was a lot of medications and things like that I had to look through it, because I know there were expiration dates, things that were not good, and they were still here. And it was amazing that I found some things from 2018. And of course, guys, you know that we're in 2020, which is not good. But I am happy that today I, took the day to, get everything out that needed to get out. That way I know what we need. And the aftermath of everything, or the, before and afters, are amazing. I love it.
Keep looking like you, I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you, I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind, go back to that moment in time, when you say you want me for life, was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love you, no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you, I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you, I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on
And this is the end results. I just want to share that I put all the medicine on the top and bottom drawer. And then all the way on the bottom drawer, I put like, you know, miscellaneous things in there. And then of course my hair products and the cleaning product, my pads, and my husband's, you know, cutting machine. So I love it. And of course I have my blow dryer and curling iron and things like that. And now I'm just sweeping everything out here so that floors could get ready to be mopped very soon. Another thing I like to do on a deep clean is clean the baseboard, because those are things that we neglect, but when it comes to deep clean, it must be done. Another thing that I do also on a deep clean is clean the doors, and I do the inside and outside. Then another thing that I like to do is the air vent. That's something that it gets neglected until a deep clean. And just doing the exterior of my cabinets. That's something that I did when I finished the cabinets and the inside. So just clean the exterior of the cabinet. And now I'm using Mr. Clean and Clorox to clean the floors with my spin mop, which I love. And I have it in the description down below if you're interested. And this is the finished product. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Also, comment, like, and subscribe. I would love to have you be part of my YouTube family. And I guess I'll check you out in my next video. Peace.
What does perfect even mean?